Good afternoon. Last lecture we see the specific rates, and we see in this lecture we see the merits and demerits of measurement of mortality. That is, first we see the merits of this. That is the death rates to the sex and sex overcome the drawback of crude death rates, since they are computed by taking into consideration the age and sex composition of the population. By eliminating the variation in each death rates due to the age sex distribution of the population, specific death rate provide more appropriate measure of the relative mortality situation in the region. That is, specific death rate provides more approximate measure of the relative mortality situation in the region. Second, for general and propose the death rate specific for age, sex is one of the most important and widely applicable type of death rate. It is also supplied one of essential component required of computation of net reproduction rate and construction of life table. And demerits, however, that is specific death rates are not much utility all overcome comparison of mortality condition prevailing in two different regions. That is, we are not comparison in the specific death rates in different regions. That is, in the two different regions we are not comparing specific death rates in the mortality. In two different regions, say A and B, for example, it might happen the certain age group of mortality pattern, the age the region A is greater than the B, but for the other case may be opposite. Hence, it will not be possible to draw general conclusion regarding overall mortality pattern in the region A as compared to the region B. In order to draw some valid conclusion, the different age and sex specific death rates must be combined to give a single figure, reflecting the true picture of mortality in the region. And second, moreover, in addition to age and sex distribution of the population, social, occupational and graphically factor come into operation. What is the differential mortality specific death rates completely ignore this factor in order to remain such effects standardized death rates are computed. This is the merits and demerits of mortality of the population. Measurement of mortality. Next lecture. In this lecture we are stopped.